We'll guide you through how to reset an SSD, hard drive, or even USB drive to factory settings. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. For whatever reason you want to reset a drive, whether it's a USB drive, an external hard drive, or an internal hard drive, or an SSD, it doesn't matter. We're going to guide you through this. Perhaps you just want to go and have a fresh start as you've got a lot of old files on there you no longer want. Or perhaps you want to go and give the drive to somebody else, they can go and keep their files on it, and so you want to go and remove everything and go and have it reset back to factory. We're going to guide you through how you can go about this. It's much easier you probably think. But still, make sure this full guide so you don't miss anything important, so don't go and skip ahead because you may want to go and find something out that we're going to go and talk about. So what you want to do is come down to the bottom and go and find the option for File Explorer. Go and click on it to go and open it up, or press search and type in File Explorer. On the left, go and scroll up or down, and you want to go and find this PC and click here. And you'll be brought to devices and drives. So in here, you then want to go and find the drive you want to go and do this with, and you want to go and double click on it, and you're going to go and see everything on it. There may be files, folders, etc. So what you then want to do is you can go and select the ones you want to go and keep, and you can go and drag them onto your desktop. You could also go and put them into a folder if you want to on your desktop, just to keep things a little bit more organized. Otherwise, things can go and get messy and you can go and lose what you're backing up amongst your other files. So you may want to go and make it clear and separate. Then what you can do is come to the left and you can go and press this PC like so, and you want to go and find it again here. So just to emphasize, when you go and do this, everything is going to go and be lost. So make sure you want to go about it. Now here you can right click, you want to go and press format. You're going to get this pop up, and at the top here, you'll go and see the capacity. For the file system, I'd recommend using exFAT. I find this to be the best. And if you go and use NTFS, that isn't going to go and work properly on Mac. You can only go and read files or not go and write to it. So exFAT is going to be the most compatible option. I don't change allocation unit size or the volume label, but you can change that if you want to, and then you can go into format options. By default, quick format is selected. If you want to go and do a more in-depth one, you can unselect that. In this case, I'm just going to go and do a quick format for the sake of this guide. Then you can go and press start, confirm a decision that it's all going to be lost, and press OK. And it now says format complete. We can close out of this. And as you can see, here it is. We can then go and double click on it, and it's now been factory reset. And there's going to be nothing on it, and it's ready to be used. If you found this useful and want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. It's really convenient to be able to go and do this, and hopefully you've been successful with it and you're now ready to go and continue using it. I look forward to help you again in the next one. Have a great day. Goodbye for now.